morning to all. Today my question is, who is the most important person in your life and why? So for me, my parents are the most important person in my life. And if I talk about why, so as we know, for every children, their parents are stained like a goat. And my parents are for me goat, and like they are the world for me. I can't think my life without them. Even I can't survive without them. When I think at the time I will lose my parents, but when I think that I like my goosebumps, like I can't say that moment. And my parents are doing that things for me that no one can do. And I stand here, I'm in Indore, I'm preparing for civil services because of my parents. They always support me, they always guide me. When I need them, they always stand with me. And they always wish for us. They don't want anything for them. They always want something for their children. And if we told them what you want return, they always told that I only want return is you're successful. I don't want anything. So our parents, no one is like our parents. No one is like parents. They are doing the things like a miracle. And my mother, who has given me lots of lessons. I learned many things from my mother, and she is role model for me in my life. How she handle every situations, how she reached in that moment, how she is in that, and I'm speaking here, and I'm able to speak here because of my father. He always support me. He always encourage me you can do it. And he always tell me, when you demotivate, you always tell to yourself you can do it and you are able to do this thing. So I have that much confidence, and I'm able to speak anywhere because of my parents. So that much from my side. Thank you.